Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your first React app. So for that you just need to install Node and Npm into your system. So to install Node and Npm, just go to your favorite browser and search for Node.js and just go to this first link from nodejs.org, and you just need to download this either LTS support or current version. So I would recommend you to install this LTS. So this is the long-term support of Node.js. So let me just click on this. So this should download the package. So if you are using the Windows or other operating system, so download accordingly. And let me just click on so in Finder, and let me just double click to install. So just click on continue, press on continue, agree, and click on install. Enter your password and just click on close, and let me just move it into the trash. So now if I just open the terminal and just type node -- version, so if it shows some versions, then the node is installed. So you can see it's the 16 versions which we have just installed from here. So you can see, so similarly you need to make sure to install npm as well. So the automatically npm also installs when you install the Node.js. So now to create the React application, so I just want to create outside the desktop. So let me just go into the desktop, and to create the React app, so just type npx create -react -app and just keep the name of application. So let me just keep something like demo, or you can give any name, so demo -app or something like that, and just click enter. So now this should start creating the demo app in the desktop. So you can see the application has been successfully created. So now we just need to open this in any editor. So let me just go into this browser again and search for VSCode, and just go to this first link from code.visualstudio.com. So if you're using the Windows or Linux, so you can just download accordingly. So since I am using the Mac OS, so I will just click on this other platform and just click on this Apple Silicon since I am using MacBook M1. So if you're using Linux, so go with DB or RPM. So if you're using Windows, so just click on that and install accordingly. So I will just download. So once this VS Code zip is downloaded, let me just double click onto this application. So this should install VS Code, and let me just move into the applications. So let me just go into this launchpad and search for VS Code and just click enter and just click on open. So here you can see the VS Code has been opened. So if you want to choose the color, so you can just choose according to your preference. So I will just keep this dark, and let me just click on mark as done, and let me just click on this explorer, click on open folder. So since I have created inside this desktop, so I'll just choose the demo app, and let me just trust the folder. And to run the application, so you can see inside here the app.js. So this will basically run this application. So to run this application, let me just click on this terminal at the top and just type. So you can see the terminal is opening. So just type npm start. So this should now start the React application. So you can see on port localhost 3000 on the browser, so the React application is successfully started. So if I just go into this app.js inside this source, let me just clear this header, and let me just type something like, this is my first React application, and let me just save this one. So we don't need this logo anymore. So let me just save and again go to the browser. So you can see this is my first React application. So this is how you create the first React application. Thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.